Hey guys, welcome to Vouch Infotech, and I am here to demo a new Code Vouch version that is 4.0. We have recently launched it. It is still in beta testing, but we have renewed our UI UX for our web portal too. So here is a simple registration process for that. So just go to codevouch.vouchinfotech.com. If you are not registered, just hit create new account button. There are only 5 parameters that you have to enter. First one is firm name or individual name. That's your name or your firm name. Then your contact number and email is the key. So email, you should have the perfect email ID mentioned here because you will use that for CodeVouch login and the web portal login too. And the password and hit create account button. So you will get a message that bingo, your CodeVouch account has been created. Please activate your account using activation link sent on your registered email ID. So activation link is sent on your registered email that you have entered. That is charu@vouch infotech that I have entered. So let's go to email and check it. Let's refresh. Okay, the code vouch activation link is there. Hit activate link and it will redirect to you to the portal. Bingo, your activation is successful. Please sign in. So sign in by the same user ID and password that you have just entered for a registration. So I'm entering it my credentials, hitting sign in. So we are going in. So this is a new look for a CodeVouch portal. So here are some statistics. You have 2 products registered, that is 4.0 and 3.1. Then you will have the number of hits, like you have consumed 0 hits out of 30 hits. So total 30 free hits you will get. So you can generate a 30 table or 30 reports entities. So entities is the table name. If you have generated it for 2 times, it is only reflecting 1 as entity count. So CodeVouch 4.0 beta, it's still in beta testing, but you can download it here and you can also test and give the reply to us that how it is performing and all. So we'll be doing the detailed video on the CodeVouch 4 beta for its 2 products. And then CodeVouch 3.1 is intact, stable, 100% stable, but still that was using a static structure. So all the patches for regarding to 3.1 are there. The stable patches, you can download it anyways. So we were having 4 products in 3.1 version. So MySQL .NET API, Angular and jQuery UI, then NodeJS API, Angular UI, MySQL, PHP, Laravel API. So those 4 products already are there in 3.1. We have new products. So in 4.0 beta, we have launched new products. So still we are live with my MySQL DB, then .NET API, jQuery UI, NodeJS API. You can download those 2 products. We are doing the detailed video on these 2 products. So check the video section for that if you are logging into the portal. Then we are almost completed 70% for the Angular UI. So Angular UI we are very soon launching, and then we have PostgreSQL combinations for .NET API, Node.js API, and React UI and Vue.js UI. So these 2 frameworks, UI frameworks, we are including in the next versions. So that is almost 20% completed. It will take time. Here is the profile. You can update your profile information that you have used for registration. Then this is the getting started, a basic glance of a CodeVouch, what CodeVouch can do, and the features of the CodeVouch. You can go through it. Then you have the video links also. So 3.0 and 3.1 video links, registration, installation, and then Node.js API, Angular UI demo is there. PHP, Laravel, MySQL demo is there. Then CodeVouch 2.0 old win, Angular UI, .NET API was there, and .NET API, jQuery UI our first CodeVouch version. So probably this coming soon will be reflected as video links when you see it, because we are currently doing the videos for the same. So it is reflecting coming soon. But you will see 3 videos on it for 2 products. and then the introduction that I'm currently giving. Okay, so here are the statistics, and this is the new CodeVouch 4.0 beta we have launched. Do test it and give us the reply. This is a simple registration process, guys, so you can do it very easily. Thank you very much for using CodeVouch.